10 Digital Marketing Strategies for the 2023 Holiday Season. Welcome back to our channel. This video will explore 10 powerful digital marketing strategies designed to maximize your success during the 2023 holiday season. The holiday season is fast approaching, and businesses must optimize their marketing efforts to stand out. So, let's dive right in. Strategy number 1, create a web room for your products. The first strategy is to create a web room for your products. This allows customers to have a virtual showroom experience where they can browse and explore your products online. By implementing this strategy, you can provide customers with detailed information and visuals that mimic an in-person shopping experience. Example 1. XYZ Furniture. XYZ Furniture created a web room on their website where customers can virtually explore the different collections. They incorporated high-resolution images, 360-degree product views, and detailed descriptions to give customers an immersive experience. Example 2. ABC Electronics. ABC Electronics developed a web room that showcases their latest electronic products. They included product videos, customer reviews, and interactive features like a product comparison tool to enhance the virtual showroom experience. Strategy number 2, appeal to shopper emotions. The strategy presented aims to evoke emotions in shoppers. During the holiday season, emotions like joy, excitement, and nostalgia are heightened. Capitalize on these emotions by creating content and messages that resonate with your target audience. Example 1. XYZ Bakery. XYZ Bakery created social media posts and videos highlighting heartwarming holiday memories and traditions. They shared stories of families coming together to bake and decorate cookies, evoking warmth and joy. Example 2. ABC Clothing Brand. ABC Clothing Brand launched a holiday campaign emphasizing the importance of spending quality time with loved ones. They created emotional advertisements featuring families exchanging gifts and celebrating together, tapping into the nostalgia and sentimental value of the holiday season. Strategy number 3, launch a video marketing campaign. The third strategy is to launch a video marketing campaign. Videos are highly engaging and can effectively capture the attention of potential customers during the holiday season. Example 1. XYZ Toy Store. XYZ Toy Store has ingeniously produced dynamic video clips, demonstrating the enthralling action of their most coveted toys. They released these captivating videos on various social media platforms, captivating the attention of both parents and children with their interactive features, vividly showcasing the joy and exhilaration that their toys provide. Example 2. ABC Cosmetics. 1. ABC Cosmetics developed video tutorials on holiday makeup looks using their products. 1. They collaborated with beauty influencers, demonstrating step-by-step techniques for achieving festive makeup looks. 1. These videos were shared on social media platforms, attracting customers who wanted to recreate those looks for their holiday parties. Strategy number 4, create an interactive gift guide. The fourth strategy is to create an interactive gift guide. This helps customers find the perfect gift for their loved ones while providing them with a personalized shopping experience. Example 1. XYZ Bookstore. XYZ Bookstore developed an interactive gift guide that categorized books based on genres and interests. They included filters allowing customers to narrow their options based on age, preferred themes, or specific authors. This made it easier for customers to find the ideal book as a gift. Example 2. ABC Beauty Retailer. ABC Beauty Retailer created an interactive gift guide recommending beauty products based on skin type, preferred brands, or desired effects. Customers could answer questions about themselves or the recipient, and the gift guide would generate personalized recommendations. This helped customers choose the perfect beauty products for their loved ones. Strategy number 5, offer free gift wrapping. The fifth strategy is to offer complimentary gift wrapping services. This adds convenience for customers and enhances their overall shopping experience. Example 1. XYZ Department Store. XYZ Department Store offered free gift wrapping services for all in-store purchases during the holiday season. They had dedicated gift wrapping stations where customers could have their gifts beautifully wrapped by trained staff members. Example 2. ABC Online Retailer. ABC Online Retailer provided free gift wrapping options at checkout for online purchases during the holiday season. Customers could choose from different wrapping paper designs and include personalized messages to make the gifts extra special. Strategy number 6. Create urgency-based campaigns. The sixth strategy is to create urgency-based campaigns. You can create a sense of urgency and motivate customers to purchase by offering limited-time deals or promotions. Example 1. XYZ Fashion Brand. XYZ Fashion Brand ran a one-day flash sale offering a significant discount on selected items. They promoted this sale through email marketing campaigns, social media posts, and on their website homepage. They encouraged customers to take immediate action by highlighting the limited time frame. Example 2. ABC Electronics Retailer. ABC Electronics Retailer created a countdown timer for their holiday sale event on their website. They offered exclusive discounts on popular electronic products during a specific time. By displaying the countdown timer, they created a sense of urgency and motivated customers to purchase before time ran out. Strategy number 7. Implementing retargeting strategies. The seventh strategy is implementing retargeting strategies. You can boost brand recognition and motivate potential customers to finalize their purchases by contacting those who have previously expressed interest in your products or visited your website. Example 1. XYZ Online Marketplace. XYZ Online Marketplace utilized retargeting ads on social media platforms to remind customers about items they had previously viewed or added to their cart. These ads displayed personalized messages or exclusive discounts to entice customers to their website. Example 2. ABC Travel Agency. ABC Travel Agency implemented retargeting strategies by sending follow-up emails to customers who had shown interest in specific travel destinations. These emails included customized travel itineraries, special offers, and testimonials from satisfied customers who had booked similar trips. Strategy number 8. Harnessing the power of user-generated content. The eighth strategy is harnessing the power of user-generated content, UGC. Encouraging your customers to share their experiences with your brand can significantly enhance your marketing efforts during the holiday season. Example 1. XYZ Outdoor Gear Retailer. XYZ Outdoor Gear Retailer encouraged customers to share their adventure photos on social media using a unique hashtag related to their brand. They then featured these photos on their website and social media platforms, showcasing real-life experiences and creating a sense of community among outdoor enthusiasts. Example 2. ABC Food Delivery Service. ABC Food Delivery Service invited customers to share photos of their festive home-cooked meals using the delivery service. They encouraged users to tag them on social media platforms to be featured in their holiday recipe blog posts. Customers were inspired by the user-generated content, UGC, which provided ideas for holiday meals. Strategy number 9. Create interactive holiday campaigns. The ninth strategy is to create interactive holiday campaigns that engage your audience and encourage them to participate actively. Let's explore two examples of companies that have successfully implemented this strategy. Example 1. Company O Toy Manufacturer. Company O has organized an online scavenger hunt where participants had to find hidden holiday-themed items on their website. Participants who completed the scavenger hunt were entered into a prize draw for a chance to win a special gift set. Example 2. Company P Home Decor Brand. Company P has recently unveiled an exhilarating online design competition that invites passionate individuals to showcase their extraordinary holiday-themed home decorations through captivating photographs. The winning entry received a home makeover package from the brand's design team. Strategy number 10. Create gift guides. The last strategy is to create gift guides that help your customers find the perfect gift for their loved ones. Let's see how two companies have successfully implemented this strategy. Example 1. Company M Beauty Subscription Box Service. Company M created a holiday gift guide showcasing their subscription boxes based on different interests and price ranges. This guide was shared on their website and social media platforms, helping customers find the perfect gift for beauty enthusiasts in their lives. This strategy increased sales and introduced new customers to their subscription service. Example 2. Company N Outdoor Gear Retailer. Company N created a gift guide for adventure seekers featuring their top-rated products for hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities. They shared this guide through email marketing campaigns and collaborated with outdoor influencers to promote it on social media platforms. This strategy increased brand visibility and attracted new customers interested in outdoor gear. Remember that for companies to maximize their holiday campaign success, it is crucial to analyze and optimize their campaigns before, during, and after the season. Companies should also determine the campaign's goals, such as boosting brand awareness or increasing sales. With this information, businesses can create more targeted campaigns to reach the right people at the right time. Additionally, it would help if you used A/B testing to compare different variations of the same campaign and determine which performs best. Conclusion. And there you have 10 digital marketing strategies for the 2023 holidays. Remember, creating a web room, appealing to shopper emotions, launching a video marketing campaign, creating an interactive gift guide, and offering free gift wrapping can significantly enhance your holiday marketing efforts. Don't forget to analyze and optimize your campaigns based on key performance indicators, KPIs, for future success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips. Happy holidays!